Part 3. Modifying output settings for switch 1. The prerequisite for this section is that the customer must have purchased the switch version of the KSLV 605. The switch version comes with two switches. One is switch 1, and the other is switch 2. Next, we will first modify the output settings for switch 1. First, it is important to clarify that each switch has two liquid level points for activation: a high level and a low level. Now, if I want switch 1 to close when the liquid level is between the high and low levels, what should I do? First, we will read the current output settings of switch 1. Send the command 010300100001. Click Send. The response is 01030200 Fate 40. The response is 00. If is the value of the register at address 0 by 0001, which is what we need to modify. It is recommended to refer to our Modbus protocol, as the protocol specification clearly defines the function of each bit. Now, if I want switch 1 to close when the liquid level is between the high and low levels, what value should I change OF to? By referring to Appendix A of the Modbus protocol, we can determine that the register value needs to be changed to 04. Now we use the command 010600010004. Click Send. Now we read the settings again with the command 010300010001. Click Send. The value we read is 0103020004 The output settings for switch 1 have now been successfully modified. The current switch state is, when the liquid level is between the high and low levels, the relay switch will close. We understand your needs.